Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Just got done with my evening walk. It is still Friday, I almost said December, February 21st, 2025, coming to you from where I'm coming to you from. And I've only been here a few times, and in the subdivision, I'm noticing how many cameras there are, like tucked back in the bushes. Again, it's a gated community, but man, this morning and even this afternoon and this evening, I don't want to take any pictures of the cameras in case there's they're recording sound as well, but there's cameras all over this subdivision. Again, yes, we live in a day and age where like the hotels here, again, cameras everywhere, you know, the lobby, probably the elevators too. But I don't know why, I just noticed today all the cameras that you can see. Anyhow, that's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family, and watch what you do in public. Love y'all. Bye-bye.